Hello, this is Walk the Cat. I'm a Japanese. I will show you the way to use kanji in English. Today, I will introduce you to kanjis. Two. First kanji is this. This kanji is pronounced ame in Japanese. Ame. This kanji is pronounced ame in Japanese. And this kanji is this kanji means rain. Rain. Raindrops. Window also. This kanji means rain. Okay, let's use this kanji. Let's use these sentences. Okay, could you read them? Okay, I will read these sentences. There was a okay, first there was a heavy rain. There was a heavy rain last night. Okay. This. It all day yesterday. It rained all day yesterday. Bullets came raining down. Okay. Could you grasp how to read kanji? Could you grasp how to read kanji? Okay, then please rewrite these sentences with kanji and alphabet. These sentences. Please use kanji and alphabet. Can you rewrite? I think you can. Please think for a moment. Okay. I will show my answer. The rain ruined our holiday. The rain ruined our holiday. It has been raining since last month. It has been raining since last month. We have had little rain for weeks. We have had little rain for weeks. Okay. Okay. Can you relate? Could you relate? Okay. Let's go next kanji. Second kanji is this. This kanji is pronounced maru in Japanese. Maru. And this kanji means circle and yen. The unit of the unit of money in Japan. Or this kanji is also pronounced en in Japanese. Some kanji have multiple meanings. Let's use this kanji. Please read these sentences. These sentences. Dun-dun. Okay. 2, 3 sentences. Please read. Okay, could you read these sentences? I will read them. Everybody stand in circle. The boy kept circling around his mother. $1 is 110 yen. Okay. Okay, then let's use kanji. Please relate these sentences with kanji and alphabet. 3 sentences. The yen gradually dropped against the dollar. Draw a circle 10 centimeters in diameter. The enemy circled the small mountains. Please rewrite these sentences with kanji and alphabet. Please think for a moment. Okay. I will show you my answer. Okay. First, the yen. The yen. Gradually dropped against the dollar. Next, draw a circle 10 centimeters in a diameter. Draw a circle 10 centimeters in diameter. The enemy circled the small mountains. The enemy circled the small, okay, I'm sorry, small mountains. Small mountains. Okay. Please remember rain or uncircle yen and use them. By the way, these two kanji have already been introduced in another movie of mine. Please watch them too. Okay, see you next time. Okay, see you next time. Next time. Thank you for your listening and watching. Goodbye.